Enemy approaching. Engage the target. Sustaining damage. Heavy damage. Attack successful.
Get him!
Target is quick. Contact made.
The last one. Keep up!
The winds are with us now.
Drill assault craft has landed. Time to fight!
That drill will take time to set up. Hope Marin can slow them down.
Never liked height. Oh, am I kidding? I chose wrong. Should've wised up and chose the flamethrower track. Then again, I feel like fire eater.
How you doing, BD? Having fun back there? I need a stim, buddy.
We've got an intruder here. Just get him. You, get up here.
Incredible. But that won't stop the Empire from reducing it to rubble.
Blocking them. There might be chambers. What is that? The Jedi! Fire! Taking the target! Got you!
Toss me a stim, buddy. Gotta hurry. Brother Armias can't hide forever. You know what to do. Sanctuary to all who seek it. Sounds too good to be true.
Pilgrim Sanctuary should prove a worthy location for the safe house.
Its proximity to the Archive is ideal.
And with a bit of your slicing, this temple could once again provide safe haven for those who need it most.
I need to clear my mind. Doesn't sound good. This place won't hold long. Pilgrim Sanctuary has some new caretakers. That sentry droid could be trouble.
Grab everything you can find. We need a clean sweep before the drill guts this place. This is the third. Get over here, intruder!
Intruder detected.
Fire at will! Try to stop him! I'm gonna get him! He's going down! Dodge all you want, I'll keep trying. Let's bring this fight to the enemy. A few more hits.
I think Sister Task will want to take a look at this.
It's too quick! Someone else get up here? I've got him! He's hit!
Need a stim! Empire still has no idea what's under their noses, but they'll find the safe house eventually. Let's keep moving. No sign of the path safe house yet. starting to think we're in the right place. What do you think? Getting closer. Very nice. There was a scramble to evacuate.
Quickly, everyone! This way!
Hurry!
Are you coming with us?
I must remain here a little longer. Go now, there is no time. I will seal the passage behind you. May the Force be with you all.
Easy now. See your Junda sent me.
Master Junda, you use the Force, you're Cal Kestis.
It's time to go. The Empire's closing in.
Yes, which is why this must make it back to Master Junda. These contact codes cannot fall into the hands of the Empire.
Save him.
Come on, Cal! You can do this! What are you waiting for? It is our duty to make sure his death meant something.
Yeah. Let's get these codes to Seer. close.
I'm impressed.
See a way back in.
Then let's hurry.
Another route, but there's a lot of patrols.
We can manage. There's danger nearby. Face the magic of filtering here.
I guess it's a ranged battle now?
Our friend is back.
Oh, good. Thanks again for the charm.
You needed it more than me. Up.
Catch him!
Nice work, Jedi.
You too, Desert Ghost.
I can get him. You're quick. I'll give you that.
The Empire had no idea what they were about to find.
Good. They must never learn that the path is good.
Be like that.
trust me?
Of course. What are you up to?
No time to explain. Do you trust me?
Yes. Was that for luck?
No. For me. Jump through, Cal! Now!
I can't believe this!
Believe it! Well done!
You got this, buddy! No kidding. This thing's gotta have a weakness.
Nice one, Cal!
Don't thank me yet.
Having fun?
What, you're not?
We can't keep this up.
I have an idea, but I need an opening.
You can do this. There's nowhere left to run.
Then we stand together.
Now or never. One last jump. It's a big one.
Right behind you. How did you do that?
A ritual I learned when I returned to Dathomir. It is taxing.
You okay?
I am fine.
Come on. Let's get these coats to Seer. Time to move. Seer. Couldn't save Armias. He gave his life for this. I'm sorry.
I know you did your best, Cal. And the Empire?
They did not track us.
Hey, Scrapper. Glad you made it back in one piece.
Master Cordova. Did you find a way across the abyss?
No. But you may have, Cal. Bode and I were able to find some interesting data in the archives.
Let's show them what we dug up.
Centuries ago, the Republic established the colony on Kobol to study a stellar anomaly known as the Abyss. Santari Khri led the research team.
That Z with him.
Early attempts to navigate the Abyss ended in disaster. The Republic was on the verge of abandoning the project.
And then guess who volunteers to fly in alone and discovers a planet on the other side?
Dagon.
Using the data from his voyage, Khri invented the Abyss Compass to guide others safely to Tanalorr.
The Republic established a settlement. The Jedi built a temple. Just like you said, Cal.
Regrettably, a time of peace and prosperity was disrupted when Outer Rim marauders invaded.
I saw them too, but how'd they get across the abyss?
He must have stolen a compass. Don't worry, we won't be so careless.
Overwhelmed, the Republic abandoned Tanalorr, and the Jedi Council ordered Khri to destroy the compass.
Dagon Gera refused and rebelled against the Order.
That is a Gendai. They do not often ally with other species.
Looks like Ravis has been working with Dagon for a lot longer than we thought.
So the Order sent Jedi to secure the compasses. Dagon murders them over it.
Jedi. Killing other Jedi.
But Centauri said that Dagon was the key to Tanalorr.
Maybe he is, young Jedi. Despite my efforts, those compasses you brought me were beyond repair. However, records indicate that 3 were unaccounted for.
So you're saying one might still be out there?
Yes.
And Dagon sent his army to look for it.
I'd ask you to stay and help us, but I recognize that look.
What look?
Hope. That planet could be a haven for those who stand against the Empire.
So you coming with us? I mean, Grace can make room on the Mantis. For all of you.
No. This place needs me. The Hidden Path needs me.
Cordova?
I'm sorry, my friend. But for now, my place is on Jeddah with Seer. Let me prepare a data stick so you'll have access to our research wherever your journey takes you.
Let me guess. You're staying too.
When we first met, I thought that what we shared was unique. Survivors, fighting together against the Empire who took our families.
Yeah. You helped me realize I wasn't alone.
As did you. But there is a galaxy full of people who have suffered as we have. It's as Seer said. Perhaps you have found a sanctuary for them.
Perhaps. If we can get to it.
I will join you. Besides, it's been far too long since I've made Grease's hair stand on end.
See you back on the Mantis, Night Sister. Let's stop here.